This music video was made entirely with AI. No camera, no studio, no crew, and the lip sync? Perfect. Every single time. That's a full AI music video, built from scratch. Song, character, cinematic scenes, all of it. And the whole process took me less than 10 minutes inside one single platform. Here's what's actually crazy. 6 months ago, I couldn't get a consistent character to stay the same between 2 clips, let alone build something that looked like this. But something shifted recently. Seedance 2.0 dropped, Suno AI keeps getting better, and OpenArt pulled everything together in one place. So today, I'm walking you through the exact workflow, step by step, start to finish. By the end, you'll be able to build your own AI music video, whether that's for a song you already have, something you make today, or just to see what's possible. Before we go further, if you want to follow along and try this yourself, I've dropped the link to OpenArt in the description below. Go sign up and come back. Step 1. The song. Every music video starts with a track. So head over to Suno AI. If you've never used it, it's an AI music generator, and it's gotten genuinely good. Click Create, and here's the thing most people skip. Don't just type pop song. Be specific. Describe the mood, the energy, the tempo, the type of vocal you want. I'm going for something cinematic and emotional. Dark piano, female vocals, slow build, something that already sounds like it belongs in a video. Hit Create, and Suno gives you 2 versions. Always listen to both. Pick the one that feels right, download it, and that's your foundation. Step 2, build your character, and this is the most important part. Here's where most people skip ahead and regret it later. If you don't lock in a consistent character before you generate a single image, your music video falls apart. She looks one way in scene 1, completely different in scene 3. I've been there. It's frustrating. So, we fix that first. Open OpenArt. On the main dashboard, you'll see your main sections across the top: character, image, video, audio. Start with character every single time. Click Create a Character. You've got 3 options. You can start from a photo, great if you want to put yourself in the video. You can describe the character in text, fast and flexible. Or you can use the build option, which is what we're doing today, because it gives you the most control. The first thing it asks is the look vibe. Casual, street, fashion, vintage glam, there are a bunch. Match it to your song. Mine has this moody cinematic energy, so vintage glam made sense immediately. Then you pick gender, ethnicity, age range. Then there's an extra description field that most people skip. Don't skip it. The more context you give, the more the character actually looks like what you pictured, instead of some random AI default. Hit Generate. You'll get a few options. Pick the one that fits your vision. From this point on, every single image and video you generate is going to be built around this person. That consistency is what makes the final product feel like an actual music video, instead of a random clip reel. Step 3. Generate your images. Now we're building the frames. Go back to the main dashboard, click Image, then Create Image. The model you want here is Nano Banana 2. It's the best option on the platform for this kind of work, and it goes all the way up to 4K resolution. For a music video where you want those sharp cinematic frames, that extra quality actually shows up on screen. In the prompt box, type the @ symbol, and your character's name will pop up as an option. Select her. Now every image you generate will have her in it, in whatever scene you describe. For your opening shot, think about what emotion you want to hit first. Don't just describe a location, describe a feeling. What's the very first thing you want the viewer to feel? Before you generate, flip on Auto Polish. It takes your prompt and refines it automatically. 2 seconds, better output. Just leave it on. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for a widescreen music video feel, bump the resolution to 4K, and hit Generate. Here's something most people don't think about. You don't need your character in every shot. B-roll matters. A shot of an empty rainy street, or a dimly lit room, or a close-up on something small and symbolic. That stuff gives your video breathing room and makes it feel produced instead of repetitive. I ended up making about 12 images total, some with her, some without, all of them tied together by the same mood and visual tone. Step 4. Bring everything to life. This is the part that makes people's jaws drop a little. Go back to the dashboard, click Video, and select Frame to Video. Upload one of your images as your starting frame. Now in the prompt box, describe the motion. Be specific. Don't say camera moves. Say exactly what moves, how it moves, and what the mood feels like. For the video model, go with Seedance 2.0. It's one of the best right now for keeping your character looking consistent through actual movement, which matters a lot the second she starts walking, or turning, or looking at the camera. Set your duration to 5 seconds. That sounds short, but think about it. Most cuts in a real music video are between 3 and 6 seconds anyway. Each clip you generate is already edit ready. No trimming needed. When the result comes back, watch the character closely. The face, the movement, the way the lighting sits on her. Because she started from a high-quality image with that consistent character locked in, Seedance 2.0 has a clear reference to work from. That's why it holds up. Repeat this for every image. Upload, write your motion prompt, generate, move on. Once you've got all your clips, the hard part is honestly done. Step 5, the edit. Bring everything into CapCut or whatever editor you're comfortable with. I use Premiere Pro because it's fast. Here's the one rule: drop your song onto the audio track first. That's your anchor. Every visual decision you make from that point builds around the music, not the other way around. Start placing your clips and pay attention to the structure of the song. Where does the energy build? Where does it drop? Let those moments shape where you cut. When you export and watch it back, it should feel like the visuals and the music were always meant to be together. And for short form, Reels, TikTok, the process is identical. The only thing that changes is the aspect ratio. Switch to 9:16 when generating your images and your video clips, edit vertically, and you've got something ready to post. That's the full workflow. Song, character, images, clips, edit, done. What I love about this is that you're not duct taping 5 different tools together and hoping it works. Everything lives in OpenArt. One place, one subscription, one consistent output. If you want to try this yourself, the link is in the description. Go check it out, and if this was useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this. Subscribe if you're not already, because I'm going to keep testing this stuff so you don't have to. See you in the next one.